Okay, now Vinay, I know you from the time we did our class, okay? And
Mhm.
let me tell you that I always know that you will do something. I told you long back also. Kuch na kuch Vinay will do in this direction. There's no doubt about it, okay? So this workshop was something which was very nice. Okay, gratitude is not a subject which I'm not familiar with, but the way you broke it down, okay, to different topics and actually made us think about it, especially
Mhm.
the money, especially the achievements. Okay, then even the third day workshop where we had to speak something of gratitude to the close members or whoever we want to speak. So these are things we think about, but we don't actually take any action about it. So I think that was a good move. And though I personally do a lot of gratitude, but then that gave me especially a little thinking, a time to think that okay, fine, maybe what I need to do. So gratitude is something which everyone should do. I feel
Mhm.
it helps them to grow as a person, and you broke it down very systematically. So that was something which
Yeah.
I liked. Easy. It was easy going, You didn't have to like
Easy going.
think heavily like अब क्या करना है. So it was a good one. It was a good one. Yeah.